Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Darren here from Darren On Demand. Hope you're keeping well on this Tuesday morning. Coming at you from Benidorm. I thought while we were on lockdown I would actually give you a little walk around, me showing you the different rooms that we've done, how we live here in Spain, and obviously give you a bit of an insight on what we're doing whilst we're here. So without further ado, let's jump over to the video and let's give you a walk around. Okay, so this is our walk around of our apartment. Being that we're actually in lockdown, I thought it would be a good chance to show you properly what we have done. So this is the kitchen. As you walk in the front door just to the left, there was a sliding door on here, but we decided to take it off because we didn't need it. So what we've done, we've put all new wood flooring down. We've got this like oaky beam that we've decided to use as a little side table. All the tiling and that has been done. We've put a new worktop in, new sink, painted the cupboard doors, put a new hob oven and extractor in, new blind. So as you can see, it looks pretty cool. So then coming out of the kitchen and going into the first bedroom, this is the spare room. So if anyone comes to stay, this is where they will be sleeping. So yeah, just nice, minimalistic, nice big mirror on the wall. This is where Claire does her cross training most days, and built-in wardrobes in this room. That window there just looks out onto the main part of the path coming into the apartment. So then moving along and down to the corridor, going into the second bedroom. Now the second bedroom we actually changed into, because obviously we had a big house, this is turned into our sort of like storeroom, and so we have everything here. Got my little gym in here, which actually doesn't get much use at all. I'm surprised I haven't used it more in lockdown, but hey ho, that's another video. But yeah, so this is just our cleaning room, storeroom. As you can see there, yesterday I built this shelfy thing out of plumbing iron, so I'll be continuing with that. So that's bedroom 2. Then over this side is the utility room. Utility room is great. We actually love it. It's got our chest freezer in, washing machine and tumble dryer. But it's also where the boiler is, and it's also where we hang some of the clothes up to air and dry. So moving along swiftly, there's our little kitty cat, Sal. Say hello. Sal, say hello. Yeah, she says hello. And there's my significant other.
No makeup, no filter, we're in lockdown, I can't be bothered today.
So, and there's Bon Bon. Bon Bon, say hello.
Look at Daddy.
Say hello.
What's Daddy do?
Say hello. Yes.
Not you.
Not you. Sal's still wanting to get into the picture. Say hello, Sal. Oh, huh? Huh? You say hello? So anyway, I'll come back to the living room in a minute. But this is our bathroom. The bathroom was probably the worst and very dated. Had a very old bath in it. That was changed. New bath was installed. We've completely retiled the entire bathroom. Put a new rainfall shower in. We've had an extractor fan put in. We had to build this sort of like secret shelving unit so that we could come out further, so that we can attach the shower screen too. But all in all, this room looks pretty nifty. So, and then nice big cupboard there, which has got all our bath towels, hand towels, face cloths, and all our like shampoos, conditioners and things like that in. So going back out into the living dining area, the dining room table is there. We have the air conditioning on the wall there, which we've used probably a couple of times just for heat, but other than that we haven't used it. Going into obviously the living area, this is where Bonbon and Sal actually eat their food. We have this lovely big mirror here, which I pose in a lot and actually do a lot of my videos in as well. I'll carry on going into the bedroom. This is where the magic happens, and when I say the magic happens, I really mean magic. Claire's actually training to become a magician. I don't know what you were all thinking. Nah, that don't happen. So yeah, it's very cosy. I've put the little mood lights on, and yeah, TV, PlayStation. Obviously Claire uses this a lot when she's in here, just watching her YouTube. Not YouTube, she actually watches Netflix a lot. And yeah, some clothes behind there. This window here would normally look out over the onto the balcony, but obviously the balcony's all been enclosed in now, so it gives you a look to the other part of the living room, which is actually part of my office now. But then if you look there, we have still got the views of the ocean. So let's swing it around and we'll go out there. And we have built-in wardrobes.
They still need a paint.
There, they still need painting again. But yeah, going out. We thought we'd need more storage than we actually have. We put in a huge amount of storage, and most of the actual cupboards themselves are empty. The sofa is a chaise lounge, but also comes out into a double bed. Where Claire's sitting now, Claire has those two seats, and I have that bit there.
Double bed is under here and pulls out.
Double bed pulls out there.
My arse.
And the long bit where my laptop is lifts up, and that's where we've got all the storage in
all
there.
All the bedding in there.
All the bedding in there. Bonbon, say hello. Say hello. Bonbon, say hello. Bonnie, say hello. No. Okay, so that's where I pretty much sit most of the day during lockdown. But then when we watch TV, we watch it on this big bad boy. Bit of self-promotion there on the Darren On Demand YouTube channel, because obviously this is going on YouTube, so what more can I do than actually promote the channel on the laptop as well? So again, hidden signs of promotion. But yeah, most of the furniture that we've got here was purchased from IKEA. We did a couple of big hauls and got out there and built loads and loads of this furniture in a couple of days. So so yeah, going round. So as you can see, that pillar there, that's where the balcony would start. So as you can see, it would have been quite a long balcony. So it's all been enclosed in. So now we have these white units literally running all the way along. And then round this side here is where my office is. So a lot of stuff that I create and do is actually done in this area here. And we have the views. Let's show you the views of Levante Beach, where no one is allowed to go on it at the minute. So yeah, so lots of storage in here, running all the way along. As I said, none of it's actually really been used at the minute. And then that's the window into the bedroom. So that's it. We've gone from a 5-bed, 4-bathroom villa to a 3-bedroom.
With a massive plot and 4 terraces.
Yeah, to a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 5th floor apartment overlooking the Levante Beach. But it's lovely. It's what we now call home. We do want to get out now, because obviously it's becoming a bit of a ball ache actually being locked in. But hey ho, it's all part of the aim to get us all back out sooner rather than later. So yeah, that's it. So there it is, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching the video. Hope you like our apartment as much as we do. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and click that little notification bell so you could be informed of any new videos that we launch, like the one that you're watching now. But until the next time, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.